Water begins its journey as rainfall. Raindrops collect in small puddles. Puddles merge into streams. Streams flow downhill, gaining speed. Water seeps into the ground, replenishing aquifers. Groundwater flows into underground rivers. Water emerges as springs in various locations. Springs feed small creeks. Creeks merge into larger rivers. Rivers meander through valleys and mountains. Rivers carry nutrients and sediment. Water supports ecosystems along riverbanks. Rivers provide water for human consumption. Human activities alter river paths and flow. Pollution affects water quality. Conservation measures are implemented. Healthy rivers enhance biodiversity. Rivers eventually drain into oceans. Water evaporates, continuing the cycle. This journey is vital for all life on Earth.